Alright folks, let's get things rolling on a Duke. What night is it? Tuesday night I think it is. I lost track of time. You know, bud? So this is Duke. Duke is our new board and train. You would have seen an ad for him up, when was that, a couple of days ago? Your lip stuck on your teethers. It is. So I think we've managed to find him his forever home. We've just got a few things that we need to do, tidy up a few things and get him ready for his new family. Super nice dog. Got some quirks, and that's why you're here. Hey mate, I know. What a clever boy. So we're going to go through some stuff over the next month or so. I'm going to show you the process of what I go through to a certain degree. There's not a whole lot that I can keep showing you because it's going to be quite monotonous and all that kind of stuff. So we don't want to bore you to death with it, especially because most of it's going to be fairly monotonous. Consistency is the key, isn't it, big dog? Hey, all right. So Duke's never seen this before. We're just going to run through some obedience stuff. Today's his first day here, so we're just going to run him through some stuff. It's really quite late on Christmas Eve, and I'm ready for bed. However, we've got dogs to train, so let's get stuck into this. We're just going to get him comfortable being in this training space as well. Up here. Up. Oh, good boy. So you can see he's a bit unsure. Not, yeah, good dog. Nice job. Good job, bud. Where are you going? Come over this side. Yeah, good boy. There you go. Ha, clever dog. Are you clever? You are a clever boy. I've seen it. I have seen it. Sit. Sit. Good. Might need a bigger table. What do you reckon? Hey? What do you reckon? Come on, up you go. Come on, up here. And straight off again. So look, he's all go. There's a point where we need to turn the dog off because he will keep going. Super nice dog, very friendly, very social. Just a lot in there. Hey, come on, up. Come on, up you go. Come here. Good. I don't know whether he knows what a clicker is, but that's fine. We will introduce it as we go. You're going to be here for a little while, aren't you? Up. Yeah, buddy. Good. I suspect he's going to pick it up pretty quick. Go on, up. We just need to calm those squirrels in the head. Come on, up. He's a very long dog. There's a very long back to this dog. Come on, hop. Boy. So we'll run him on one of my slip leads. We'll test it out on a larger dog. Sit. Nice, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Where are you going? Up. Yeah. Very nice. Up. Good. Yeah. Come on. All the way up. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good dog. Good boy. Round this side. Round this side. You know you're backwards, right? You're backwards. I can't feed your bum. Sit. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Oh, that's a big piece. Nice. What a good boy. What a good boy. Down. Good. You got some skills? Ah, bud. Ah, you got some skills, haven't you? Boy. So literally, we're just going to get this dog comfortable. Up. And this side. Oh, you are a big unit, aren't you? Come on. Come on. Good. Good. Sit. Good boy. Ha ha. Good boy, good boy. You are a unit, aren't you? Clever dog. Down. Yeah, that's pretty close. We'll work on that. Hey? Good. Oh, yeah, that finger is attached, my boy. Sit. Good. That's pretty close. I saw it. Your bum was pointing to the ground, wasn't it? Good. Good. Boy. So you can see he's quite receptive, like he's quite engaged with me now. Down. The biggest test is going to be when I put him in the dopamine box, and we'll see how long he can actually stay in there. Down. Sit. Good. Down. Good. Very nice. Yes. Oh, you've got to chew it. You do. You've got to chew it. Sit. Down. Sit. All the way up. Come on. Sit. Yeah. That's very enthusiastic. I saw it. Hey, it was a bit of a bounce, wasn't it? Was there a bit of a bounce? Go and get that. Come back up. Come back up. Juke. Sit. Good. Ha ha. Yeah, you can have your mush back. That's your own mush. Down. Sit. Very good. So you can see the dog's got some skill. The previous owners have done some great work with him. Down. Sit. Down. Good. They've done some great work with him. So we're just going to capitalise on that, and we're just going to push him a lot further. Down. Sit. Good. Boy. Very nice. Yeah, you got some skills, brother. Yeah, you got some skills. You know what they say, skills pay the bills. Down. Sit. Good dog. So you can see we're working on some stuff on a rickety table. So he's getting some enviro in there as well. Down. Sit. Down. Good dog. And look, I don't think he cares too much about it. He's not fazed by it now that he's been up there. Now that you've been up there for a little bit, Hey, big dog. Sit. 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 Good. Good boy. So we're going to introduce hand signals as well over the next 4 or so weeks. We'll throw that in the mix as well and see how far we can get him. So you'll see combinations. So with me raising my arm up in the air, that's a cue for him to sit. He just doesn't know it yet. Down. Good. So when I raise my arm, super dog. Are you a super dog? Down. Good. Sit. Well done. Nice job, buddy. Very good. Yes, very, very good. I actually don't know whether they can see this on the video, so down. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Very good. Smart dog. Okay, pretty good. Pretty good for a Rottweiler. Are you a Rottweiler? Down. Oh, you lost it. That's no good. Down. It's down here. I got it. It's all right. Relax. Crisis averted. All right. Let's do a last one. And then you can go and have some dinner in your crate. You ready to go? You ready to go? Oh, let's do some showing off. Sit. Nice. Let's finish on that. All right, big dog. Done. Finish. Clever dog. There you go. First session in the books. Second technically, but first session, first productive session in the books. So we'll put him away for the night now, get him out in the morning and go through some other things. We might do some recall straight up, but we'll go from there. All right. Have a great Christmas. Thanks very much for watching, paying attention over the last 12 months or however long you've been watching. Have a great day tomorrow and keep watching. You're gonna knock my camera over.